Meaning of eye teeth.
Eye teeth.
Eye teeth.
Eye teeth.
Eye teeth. The term eye teeth refers to the canine teeth located in the upper jaw of humans, which are directly under the eyes. These teeth are named so for their placement and resemblance to the eyes of certain animals. The phrase is also used colloquially to mean something that is extremely valuable and essential. For example, one may say, "I would give my eye teeth for a chance like this." Overall, eye teeth describes a specific set of teeth and can also be used figuratively to convey a strong desire or willingness to sacrifice for something important.